Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janvi and today I'll be telling you how you can boost your immunity amid this COVID-19 crisis. Many doctors have claimed that the only medicine to COVID-19 is your own immunity. That makes it very essential for you to work on your immunity and make it as strong as possible. So today I'll be telling you 10 foods that will help you build your immunity at home. These foods are readily available at every household and you can consume it on a daily basis and add it to your diet. So let's get started. Number 1 is amla. Amla is rich in vitamin C and it also acts as an antioxidant. It helps to reduce cholesterol levels and it also helps in managing diabetes and asthma. Amla is used to reduce hair fall. It is also very good for skin in treating acne. The best way to use amla is to make a chutney or pickle out of it. You can also use it as a juice. Number 2 is papaya. Papaya is rich in vitamin A, B, C, and K. It is also rich in potassium and folate. It helps to prevent diseases like heart diseases or cancer. It also helps in managing diabetes and arthritis. It also helps in digestion. Thus, papaya is considered as an excellent immunity booster. Number 3 is garlic. Garlic is also known as the immunity boosting superstar. It consists of zinc, calcium, potassium, and other sulfates. It helps to prevent flu and common cold. It also lowers blood pressure and cholesterol. It kills parasites in our body. Adding raw garlic to your diet is the best way of consuming it. Number 4 is green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids and EGCG. It is also rich in amino acids. Green tea helps to regulate blood pressure, improves our brain functions, and enhances metabolism because of its fat burning properties. It is also used in detoxification process. Number 5 is ginger. Ginger decreases inflammation in the body, which prevents sore throat, flu, and common cold. It also decreases nausea and vomiting. It lowers cholesterol levels and decreases chronic pain in the body. Thus, ginger is also a very good immunity booster. Number 6 is spinach. Spinach is rich in vitamin C. It is also rich in antioxidants and B-carotene. Spinach is very cheap and easy to consume. Spinach consists of various nutrients such as iron, magnesium, calcium, potassium, vitamin A, and folate. The best way to eat spinach is to eating it raw, but try to cook it as light as possible to use the best of its nutrients and vitamin A. Number 7 is citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are the best source of vitamin C. They help in the production of white blood cells, which are the key to fight any infection. Citrus fruits helps to prevent respiratory tract infections. The best source of citrus fruits are grapefruits, oranges, limes, and lemons. Since these nutrients cannot be stored or produced in your body, it is advised to consume citrus fruits on a daily basis. Number 8 is almonds. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, protein, zinc, and fiber. These help to prevent heart diseases and diabetes. They also help to prevent common flu and cold. Hence, they are a very good immunity booster. Number 9 is turmeric. Turmeric is used for its anti-inflammatory properties. It is used to prevent arthritis. It consists of curcumin, which gives it its color and also help to treat exercise-induced muscle damage in our body. Number 10 is curd. Curd is a probiotic which is very good for the gut. It fights disease causing germs. It also helps to control blood pressure. It prevents vaginal infections and it is also very good for the bones. Those were the 10 foods that would help you boost your immunity. Apart from these, having a healthy lifestyle, exercising daily, and avoiding junk food would also help you to boost your immunity. So that is it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy and stay safe. Bye bye.